Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the causes of poverty. What are the different causes of poverty? It is very common topic, beta. You know it very well. Why poverty is there in India? Okay. So the very first cause of low level of national product. Okay, national product, you know it very well. Okay, it is related to national income. So net national product of India is measurably low compared to its size and population. Low per capita income is the obvious consequence. The per capita income of the country falls in the category of poorest country. According to UNO norms. Okay, so beta, according to UNO, you know it is an organization, United Nations organization. According to UNO, if your per capita income is less, then you will be considered as poor country. What is the meaning of per capita income? Per capita income is equal to national income or total income divided by population. Okay, when we divide the population, when we divide the national income by population, then it is known as per capita income. Okay, so when our national income or national product is low, then our per capita income will also be low, and due to low per capita income, we will be considered as poor country. Then next one is low rate of growth. What is the meaning of low rate of growth? Rate of growth of economy has been quite low during 5-year plans in India. During the period of planning, growth rate of GDP has been nearly 5%. But owing to nearly 2% growth rate of population, per capita income grew by 3% only. Low growth rate of per capita income has tended to sustain poverty. Okay, so again we can say our per capita income is increasing at lower rate, and due to that reason our poverty is increasing. Okay, then heavy pressure of population. Okay, population has been rising at a rapid pace. This rise is mainly due to the rapid fall in the death rate. Growth rate of population was 1% in 1941-51 and 2.5% in 91-2001. In terms of its size, India's population was 84.63 crore in 91 and 121 crore in 2011. Heavy pressure of population adds of dependency burden, implying greater poverty. Okay, so one of the reason is heavy pressure of the population. Our population is constantly rising, that is why we are having problem. Okay, and then the next cause is inflation. Inflationary spiral. Now you are well familiar with the word inflation. Inflation is sudden rise in the price of a commodity. Okay, so price of a commodity is constantly increasing, and due to increase in the rate of the product, or poverty is continuously rising. Okay, beta. So I hope it is clear to you. Some more points are also there. We will discuss it later on.